Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is like my 9th video that I've made today. But you know what? God, I'm gonna shave my head, by the way. I'm gonna pull a Britney Spears and I'm gonna make a video of that too. Okay, here we go. So anyway, I just burped really loud and it reminded me that I can burp like a man, and I honestly don't care if you guys, like literally if you guys are like, oh, she's sick, you know what, that's just how I am. Alright, here we go. Ready? I didn't drink pop, swear to God, I haven't drank pop since lunch, which was like 6 hours ago. Alright. Hold on, I just had gum and now it's all weird. Hold on, here we go. It's kind of weak. I'm gonna try again. God, I suck. I haven't burped like this in like a year though, so I have an excuse. That was good. It's pretty good. I bet you guys are like sitting at the computer and you guys are like this. Or you're like, or you're probably throwing up. That'd be good. Alright. One more. And then, I don't know. Okay. It's gonna be the best one. Dang it! One more, I promise. That was a bad one. I already knew it was. So I'll get a redo, okay? That was okay. You know. Okay! I'm gonna quit being retarded and I'm gonna go eat.